Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again at the gold market. So you can see that gold still has completed an XOP target as well on the daily chart. 2673 approximately. So based on the weakness in the dollar and the drop on the yields, United States, gold has got some support, and also, as you know, this escalation in the Middle East is not going to ease, so everything stands really difficult there. That's why this also provides some backwind to the gold market. At the same time, we could actually tell the same as we talked about previously. Market definitely is overextended now, almost in all time frame, starting from the quarterly chart down to the daily one, and it stands at the near two important targets. First, the monthly ABCD patterns we talked about recently, and finally on the daily XOP as well. So this creates the background until, at least from the technical point of view, it creates the background for possible retracement. At the same time, as we said yesterday, we are not going to take the short position here because it stands against our major idea about our major context. So we suggest further upward action on the gold market, and our task here is to trying to just use this possible downside action retracement for entry at the more attractive levels. So currently those who trade on the daily and weekly chart, of course you should keep your strategical positions that maybe have been opened a long time ago. You should not do something with them. But if you have also additionally some speculative positions here to open in the gold, currently probably you should wait with this, and let's keep watching what will happen and wait for some moderate pullback. Currently seems reasonable. So that's what about the daily chart. On the lower time frames, on the fall time frame chart in particular, if you still would like to make some trades, you could keep an eye on very short-term setups, once again in a major direction, not against it. So for instance, we have, well, more or less good looking thrusting action here on the fall time frame chart, and here is bread and butter buy, for example, might be formed. So for instance, if market will show the pullback somewhere at 26-23 area, this might be the bread and butter buy, so you could consider taking scalp long position up from this level as well. On the bearish side, guys, I do not see something really for now. If yesterday we talked about the possible round top, there's some kind of drop here, and said that, well, if you're ready to take this risk, you could try to consider some taking short position, although it is not our actually strategy. And after that, there was minor downside action, but in general you can see that this market just jumped once again and complete daily XOP. Here once again you have the engulfing, but as I said, it's really risky. So this is some trial and error approach to the trading, could be really costly and not suits to everybody. And that's the reason why yesterday I said that we are not going to take any shorts in the current circumstances. As you can see, that even existed of some patterns and major targets, it's not enough currently, and actually it's not guaranteed that market will show more or less moderate pullback here. That's why our task here mostly to wait and to consider some short-term scalp position, but with the same bullish direction, as I said, for example, on the follow time frame chart. This is the safest way to deal with the market when it has strong fundamental background for a rally, and it would be better to not go against it. At the same time, I'm not objecting about any reasonable bearish setups, but probably in the current circumstances and the recent experience tells that it would be better to wait for a clear pattern. For instance, if market will form something here, I don't know, currently hardly it will be the hand shoulders, but whatever it will be, some bearish reversal pattern if it will be formed, at least some gutless triple to sell that gold likes to form on the tops. It will be something more valuable that theoretically could be followed, but in current moment I do not see something really interesting on the bearish side.